Are you experiencing "we could not activate EA Sports FC26 on this computer using the EA account you provided" error while playing the game? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Move the license files. Navigate to this PC and open the C drive. Click on the View tab at the top, select Show and check Hidden Items. Open the Program Data folder, then Electronic Arts, followed by EA Services, and finally open the License folder. Select all files in the License folder, cut them and paste them into a backup folder on your desktop. The License folder should now be empty. Try launching the game to check if the error is resolved. Method 2. End EA Services in Task Manager. Right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. Close the EA app if running, then end any EA-related tasks in Task Manager. Check if the error persists. Method 3. Verify or repair game files. Next, verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 4. Clear web cache. Press Windows +R to launch the Run utility, then type %local app data % in the Run command box and press Enter. Navigate to the Epic Games folder, then select Saved. Now copy the web cache folder to a different location and then delete the web cache folder in the original location. Right-click on the launcher icon in the taskbar and select Exit. Open the launcher and check if the error is resolved. Method 5. Reinstall the EA anti-cheat. The next thing you can do is repair or reinstall anti-cheat. Go to the installation location for FC26, open the folder, and then open the installer folder. Locate the EA anti-cheat folder and open it. Double-click on the EA anti-cheat installer. From here, select your game. Click on the repair option, then on OK. Next, go to the game installation location and select the folder. Then click on the Select Folder option. This will repair the EA anti-cheat. Next, click on Update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. You can also select the Uninstall option to uninstall the anti-cheat completely. Now select the game from the drop-down menu and click on the Install button to install the anti-cheat. After the installation finishes, start the game and check if this issue persists. Method 6. Run EA App Updater. Type EA App in the Windows search box, right-click on the app and select Open File Location. Double-click on EA App Updater to update the app. If needed, right-click on EA App Updater and select Run as Administrator. Launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. Method 7. Clear EA App Cache. Type EA App in the Windows search box, right-click on the app and select Open File Location. Right-click on App Recovery and select Run as Administrator. Click on Clear Cache, the app will restart. Check if the error is resolved. Method 8. Reinstall FC26. If the method shown in this video could not fix the issue, then reinstall FC26. To do so, press Windows +I to open Settings, open Apps and then head to Install Apps. Click on the three-dot menu next to the game. Click on the Uninstall button. Follow as shown to uninstall the game. Once the uninstallation of the game completes, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, reinstall the game to some other drive or SSD. Now launch the game and check. Method 9. Contact EA Support. If the method shown in this video could not fix the issue, then you can reach out to EA Support for help. You can get in touch with live support through the official EA help site. Or you can reach out via X, formerly Twitter, or Facebook for help as well if you prefer. All the links are provided in the description so you can use them. Method 10. Close unnecessarily running programs. Sometimes streaming and downloading can compete for resources and cause issues while launching games like FC26. So close unnecessary apps to free up bandwidth for FC26. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill, then exit the window. Apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, Google Chrome, MSI Afterburner, and RivaTuner are some that you should close before playing FC26. Method 11. Update your Windows OS. Type Check for Updates in the search menu and select the top option. Click on the Check for Updates button. If any update is available, download and install the updates. Restart your PC for that. Now launch the game and see if this could resolve the issue. Method 12. Update graphics drivers and run the game on the dedicated graphics card. Make sure to update the graphics drivers before you start gaming. This should help you avoid issues while gaming and boost your gaming experience. Here is how you can update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Display Adapters section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and choose Update Driver option. From the next window, select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest driver. You can also visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Now download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. When the device restarts, open the app again to check for updates. Download and install the available updates. If you have multiple GPUs for your computer, then make sure you use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing games like FC26. Here is how you can check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. However, this depends upon your operating system and the graphics card you are using. Press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run utility. Type dev mgmt.msc in the Run command box and hit Enter or click on OK. Expand the Display Adapters section. Here you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the one for your integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed, so run the game with the dedicated graphics card. And there you have it, the methods to fix "We could not activate EA Sports FC26" error on this computer using the EA account you provided error while playing the game. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions helped you fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.